Inter Miami 5, New York 1. Massive, massive congratulations to Inter Miami as they win 5-1 against New York and trophy attached. Lionel Messi now won the 47th trophy. Bababi, Lionel Messi is the real greatest player of all time, without doubt. Thanks to Mascherano, first of all, thanks to Mascherano for sticking with that formation, using Slevetti and Alande and Messi. The team worked out perfectly. I'm sorry, Luis Suarez. You see, I think this is the right time for you to retire. You are the legend of the game. You really try. But playing you as the number 9, you are just bringing the team back. You are bringing the team backward. This Alande, see, scoring an hat-trick, it's not easy. As Lifetti scoring a goal from the assist of Lionel Messi, they really perform very well. I'm really happy. Although this trophy is a small trophy, the bigger one is next week in Miami. Please win that trophy for us. Go and win the trophy for us. Go and win the trophy. Jordi Alba, please. What are you retiring for? Don't retire yet. I'm enjoying you. Don't retire yet. Keep playing. You are giving us the vibe. Jordi Alba, please. I really enjoyed today's match. Manchester City won their own. Barcelona won their own. Inter Miami won their own and won the 47th trophy for Lionel Messi with assist. I know some people want the banter, starting banter Messi, say no score, no assist, no play anything, but he give assist. And Lionel Messi become